On offer is a 2023 Buckman Portax LK, seen in the dark blue metallic roof and front bow. For 2023, the Portax models had a redesign, so you see a new light bow window at the front. It's a wider one and it's lower position in the trailer to be able to reduce glare from oncoming traffic and from the sun. The K model, for those of you that follow the Buckman line, know that's a front walk-off trailer. Makes it really easy trailering by yourself if you're training young horses. If you have older horses with hind end injuries, makes it much easier for them to offload the trailer. This one we put a little small jumper decor by Jan Kunster on the side. We have it set up as the rear ramp entry, a 5-foot treaded ramp, 4 bars of galvanized steel on the underside, but you can switch it to a step up if you want by the pull of a pin. Brilliant design by Buckman. 233-inch wide stalls, 7'7" internal height, built on galvanized steel chassis with anodized aluminum wall panels that have a honeycomb pocket of air in the middle to keep it cool in the summer and warmer in the winter for the horses. You can set the positions of the chest bar with 2 settings, one for taller horses and one 4 inches smaller for lower guys. And if you need to change the stall length so the seat belt works better for your horse, you have 3 positions at the back, and you have the ability to put them in any of the 3 spots. Again, 84-inch blanket can fit in this, so horses up to 18 hands in that size. If you have longer horses with longer blankets, we can accommodate you by having longer panels put in, and that's an at factory production. Roof vent in the roof is how air gets into the trailer. You have 2 sliding lateral windows on each side that are tinted and grilled for safety in the horses, and they open from outside the trailer, so you can change the airflow in the trailer to increase it or decrease it. There is a light at the back for loading, and there is one up at the front to be able to help you out. Both are LEDs, and they can be white for loading and blue for nighttime travel or to calm anxious horses by day. One of the extra features added in the new redesign is this magnetic holder at the back. So I'm going to just open the bar, so simple to do, on each side. And if I'm going to load my first horse on the driver's side, but I'm on a little bit of a tippy angle on the terrain, I'm just going to click that into place, and now that's going to hold still while I walk on my horse. I would drop my chest bar if I was loading, and then I'd be able to not worry about the rear panel popping in the back side of my horse as they're loading. That ring on the top of the chest bar is where you can tie a trailer tie. You can also use the empty ring on the stall divider at the front if you like to cross tie. There's an extra 2 feet over the regular Portax K from this chest bar to that tack locker. Tack locker is larger now in the new design for 2023. That extra 2 feet can be an area for you to change in. You can throw some extra bales of hay if you tow with an SUV. It's quite a convenient space, and it makes lots more space in the trailer if you're working with your horses. It comes with the portable buckets that you see here. You can remove them during transit if you wish. It comes with the added mat for wear protection on the floor in case you have horses that wear corks or road studs, or if they like to paw when they're on the trailer. You would offload the driver's side horse first in this model because it's an easy walk right out of their stall and down that front ramp. If their horse fits in the stall, they will fit out that doorway and down the ramp. But for the passenger guy who's loaded on here, this horse, I'm just going to turn around and be the horse. You need a little space to be able to line up with that ramp. So you just move your front stall panel out of the way. You can walk your horse across the front of the trailer and line them up to go out and down the ramp. We have 2 entrance doors into the trailer, one on the driver's side, which is larger, and a narrower one on the passenger side, so you can get in from either side to see your horse and check them while you're in transit.